Hello! Good morning! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Mega shoutout sa inyong lahat. And bago tayo magsimula, please watch this. Subscribe to like, share, ring the bell, three, like please, leave a comment if you have a question, and subscribe. You can help our advocacy. 4, subscribe. Okay, happy watching. Watch for more. And today, our lesson is about properties of real numbers. Okay, so this is grade 7 mathematics. Actually, this lesson is also for grade 6 and grade 5. No, properties of real numbers has been taken since grade 1. No? Okay, so this is just a continuation and remediation. No? Okay. Now, from the most essential learning competency of grade 7 mathematics, our objectives is to identify the property of operations with integers that is illustrated. Okay, and then we write given expressions according to the given property. Okay, so before that, we have a sum situation. Each of the given instructions is about two things in common. The order has been changed around. So are the results in the two columns the same? Okay, let's have the pin either here. Okay, in column 1, number 1, put on your socks and then put on your shoes. Okay, in column 2, put on your shoes and then put on your socks. Wow, which is which? Number 2, kill the snake and then pick it up. While in column 2, pick up the snake and then kill it. 3, walk 5 pieces west and then 2 pieces south. 3, walk 2 pieces south and then 5 pieces west. 4, add 15 and 33. Add 33 and 15. And 5, divide 10 by 5. And in the column 2, divide 5 by 10. Okay, let's discuss one by one. Which do you think is in order? Put on your socks and then put on your shoes, or put on your shoes and then put on your socks? What do you think will happen if you put on the shoes first before the socks? Bang, parang weird. So here, column 1, no, is the correct order. Of course, you put on your socks first and then your shoes. Okay? Number 2, kill the snake and then pick it up, or pick up the snake and then kill it. Do you think it is possible that you pick up the snake and before killing it? Huh? Of course we do. We kill the snake first and then pick it up. No? Not the other way around. So the snake will kill you. Okay? Number 3, walk 5 pieces west and then 2 pieces south. And then walk 2 pieces south and then 5 pieces. Okay. Here we can go both ways. So if you choose to go west first and then go back to south, that's okay. It's also okay when you go back, you go south first and then back west. No, they are the same. Okay. Therefore, add 15 and 33. So when we add 15 and 33, the answer is 48. At the same time, if we add 33 and 15, the answer is still 48. No, walang pagkakaiba. Now, in number 5, when we divide 10 by 5, the answer is 2. But in the column 2, when we divide 5 by 10, the answer is 1/2. So, yun yung pagkakaiba, na? Okay, so, that's the ano. So, maybe, okay, which way is easier and why? Okay? When an instruction contains the same operation twice, and it does not matter which one is done first, we say that the operation is associative. Okay? So addition of real numbers is associative. We call this fact as associative property of addition. You probably use the commutative property and the associative property as well as the other properties of real numbers. Okay, so because hindi natin lang namamalayan, no, we already using these properties or these rules in our real life. Okay? So, we have properties of real numbers. Let A, B, and C denote real numbers. So, first is the closure property of addition, meaning the sum of any two numbers is a real number. A plus B is a real number. Example, 2 is a real number and 3.5 is a real number. So, 2 plus 3.5 is equals to 5.5 is a real number. Okay? B plus C. Okay, example, 12 plus 7, no, close and open parenthesis, plus 5 equals 12 plus 7 plus 5 open parenthesis. So 12 plus 7 is 19 plus 5 is equals to is equal to 12 plus 12, 24. So 24 is equal to 24, right? 5. Associative property of multiplication, meaning if three real numbers are multiplied, it makes no difference which two are multiplied first. Example, 12 times 7, close and open parenthesis, times 5. No? So this dot represent multiplication. No? Equals 12 times, open and close parenthesis, 7 times 5. So 12 times 7 is 84. No? So rewrite. We just bring down the 5. Then equals 12, bring down the 12. 7 times 5 is 35. So then we multiply. 84 times 5 is 420, and 12 times 35 is 420. Okay? So that is for associative property of multiplication. Next, we have distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Meaning, multiplication distributes over addition and subtraction. Like this, A times B plus C is equals to AB, no? So, we distribute We have, no, we distribute. Okay, so A times B plus A times C. Okay, example, 7 times 5 plus 8. So we distribute this. So 7 times 5 plus 7 times 3. So 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 3 is 21. Therefore, 35 plus 21 equals 56. Okay. Next here. Okay, we distribute 7 times 5 minus 7 times 3. 7 times 5 is 35. And then 7 times 3 is 21. So 35 minus 21 equals 14. Okay? Okay, so that's it. 7. Identify property of addition. Okay, for identity property of addition, meaning any number added to the identity element 0 will remain unchanged. 0 is the identity element for addition. A plus 0 is equals to 0 plus A or equal to A. Equals A, no? Example, 12 plus 0 equals 12. No. Now remember, any number added to 0 is a number itself. So, kung gusto mo ng 1 million, gumawa ka ng paraan na magka 1 million siya, no? Okay? We have identity property of multiplication, meaning any number multiplied to the identity element 1 will remain unchanged. 1 is the identity element for multiplication. So we have A times 1 is equals to 1 times A, or equals to A. Example, 12 times 1 equals 12. Okay? 1 million times 1 is equals to 1 million. So any, whatever number multiplied by itself or by 1 is the number itself. Okay? Next. Inverse property of addition. For inverse property of addition, meaning the sum of the number and its additive inverse, or the opposite, is the identity element of 0. Example, 12 plus negative 12 equals to 0. Why? We can cancel this out. Oh, that's 0 already. Right? It's like, the inverse, no? Parang sinabi mong negative 1 plus 1 equals 0. Okay? Next. We have inverse property of multiplication. Okay, so meaning the product of a number and its multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal is the identity element 1. A and 1 over A, no, like here, 1 over A times A is equals to 1, provided that A is not equal to 0. Okay, so 12 times 1 over 12 is equals to 1. Okay, so how is that? So we know that 12 times 1 is 12. So over 12, 12 divided by 12 is 1. Okay? Question? Next. Which of the following instruction is commutative property? Is commutative? Okay? Wash. Okay? For letter A, wash the shirts and then iron it. B, fetch water and chop the wood. C, Find x if 7 is a factor of 42, and find x if 42 is a factor of 7. Alright, solution. Okay, letter A is not computative. No? Wash the shirts and then iron it. Of course, you can wash after drying it. You have to iron, not wash and then iron. Cannot be. So you have to dry it first. Oh, this one is good. Fetch water and then so after fetching water, you can chop the wood. That's order. And letter C, it's not also a commutative. X if 7 is a factor of 42. Okay. Now, yeah, we know that is 7 factor of 42. Are you sure? Okay, so let's find the factors of 42. 7, huh? So again, the factors of 42. Okay, so 7 and 6. Why? 7 times 6 equals 42. Okay. Find x if 42 is a factor of 7. No? Okay, so we have the same answer dito. Ang sagot niya ay 6. Sa kabila ay 6 pa din. But they are not commutative. Okay? Next. Complete its statement to illustrate indicated property. So we have here commutative property. No? So 4 plus. Okay, so what the answer is 5. So kung ano yung nawawala dyan, yun lang yung sagot. Then we have 8 times close and open parenthesis 4 plus 3. Of course, the answer is 4. Here we have distributive property. What do you think is the answer? Alright, let's make it associative. So we can write 4 here or 10, then plus 8 plus 4. Huh? Okay. Next, this is distributive. So 4 times 7 and then 4 times 5. Okay, then another commutative. So 10, 3 plus 8 equals 11. Right? Okay. Next. If A equals 7 and B is equals to 4 and C is equals to 5, show that A AB is equals to BA, B AB is equals to BA, C, close and open parenthesis, A plus B plus C is equals to A plus, or we can read as quantity B plus C. Okay? For letter D, A times quantity B plus C is equals to AB plus AC. So we distribute this. Okay? Now, for the solution, here, we just follow the order, right? We just follow the rules. So, we substitute. Okay, so substitute lang natin yung value ng A. So, alam natin na A is 7. And then, B is 4. So, therefore, pag binaliktad natin, 4 plus 7. So, 11 is equals to 11. Check. Equals 11. So, we have AB equals BA. So we know that 7 times 4 is equals to 4 times 7. So 7 times 4 is 28. 4 times 7 is 28. So that is check. No? For letter C, we have quantity AB plus C A plus B plus C, and then A plus quantity B plus C. So 7 plus 4, we just substitute, and then plus 5 is equal to 7 plus 4 plus 5. 7 plus 4 is 11, and plus 5 is equals to 7 plus 4, 9, no? Therefore, 16 is equals to 16. Check. Okay? So that's the order of operation. Then here, okay, we distribute. Okay, so we have substitute, no? 7 times 4 plus 5, because B is 4 and C is 5 is equals to here, no? So 7 times 4 plus 7 times 5. Now, if we are going to add this, the result is 9. Okay, 7 times 9 is equal to 63. And then here, 7 times 4 is equal to 28. 7 times 5 is equal to 35. Okay, so therefore, 63 equals 63, and that is checked. Okay, so we just follow the order, okay? Order property. Get it? Next. Use the associative property to evaluate each. Take advantage of the sums of 0, 10, or the product of 10 or 100. Insert parentheses to show the groupings. Okay, so here, letter A, 78 plus 22 plus 66 plus 34 plus 23. So, sa limang number na yan, kapag inisa-isa mo, mahirapan ka. So, the good example is you have to regroup. Okay, for the solution letter A, so we regroup 78 plus 22, and then plus 66 plus 34, and then we write the 23. Now we know that 78 plus 22 is equal to 100. Why? 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So bring down 0, carry 1. So 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1, 10. So we get 100. Okay? And then here, 4 plus 6 equals 0. So 3 plus 6, 9 plus 1 equals 10. So we have 100. So plus 23. So it's very easy, no? Okay, kapag ginroup po natin by hundreds or by tens, no? So madali lang kuhanin yung sagot. Okay? Next, here. We have 21. So yung given natin dito for number letter B, 21 plus negative 15 plus 15 plus 48 plus negative 48 plus 8. So, para madali tayo, i-group natin yan, no? So, 21 plus, so meron tayong ditong bracket, no? Kasi pagsasamahin natin yung negative 15 at saka 15 plus 48 plus negative 48. Now, we know that ito sila ay, kumbaga dun sa tiles, sila ay zero pair, no? So, of course, 0 na yan sila or canceled out na. No? Okay, so that's why we have 21 plus 0 equals 21. Okay? Intindihan po ba? Next, we have 15. So, yung sample natin sa letter C, 15 times 25, close and open parenthesis, times 4. Okay, so all you have to do is distribute, no? Regroup. So 15 is independent. So we have to group 25 and 4. So that is equal to 15, and we know that 25 times 4 we have 100. So 15 times 100, so all you have to do is carry the 2 zeros, then 1 times 15 is 15. So 1,500. Okay? Okay, so next. We have 42 times 5 times 2. So we got here, so we need to distribute again. Alright, so 46 Okay, kasi ito galing dito, no? So, all you have to do is distribute, so, or regroup. I mean, regroup, no? Not distribute, you have to regroup. So, from here, so we get the 46, and then we regroup 5 times 2. So, we have 5 times 2 is 10. So, it's easy for, we multiply 46 times 10 is 460. Yung technique lang dyan, you have to add 0. 1 0 only. Tapos yun na yung sagot. Next. Show how a change of order for a commutative property makes it possible to do the problems mentally. Okay? So, we have here 34 plus 84 plus 65. Then 4 plus times 23 times 25. And then 4 plus 49 plus 60. And then 6 times 12 times 5. Okay, so for our solution, now in this problem, we change the order, and that is in commutative property, and then regroup the numbers, and that makes associative property before multiplying or adding. Okay, so look at here, 35 plus 84 plus 65. So we regroup. We combine 35 and 65. So because we know that 65 and 35 is equals to 100. So plus 84. So we get the easily, no? 184 is the final answer. Huh? Next, 4 times 23 times 25. And the same way, we combine. So we have here, no? We combine 4 times 25. Okay? 4 times 25 is 100 times 23. So, just put the 20 here. And then 1 times 23 is equals to 23. So, that's why we have 2,300. Okay? Next. For example, letter C, we have 40 plus 49 plus 60. Okay, here we regroup also. We know that 40 plus 60 makes 100. And then add 49. So 100 plus 49 is 149. Galing, no? Dali lang pag marunong ka mag-regroup. Okay, next. So here we have 6 times 12 times 5. We know that 6 times 5 will give us 30. Times 12. So, para madali yan, 0 times 2 is 0. 3. Anong pinakamadaling technique dyan? 30 times 12. Bring down 0. 2 plus 3. 2 times 3. 6 plus 0 is equals to 6. Okay? 1 times 0, 0. 3 times 1, 3. Yun lang. Dali. Okay. Next. Oh, wala na pala. That's the end. So, do you have any question? Di ba ang dali lang naman ng properties? All you have to do is understand the examples and make it a habit to use the properties all the time. So, especially if you are dealing with integers and other real numbers, okay? Or especially dealing with real numbers. So, for questions, just type it at the comment section or tell me what you learned from this lesson, okay? Thank you for listening. This is your teacher, Fe. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, ring the bell button, and please don't forget to like, leave the comment, and subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is your, see you again.